Hello everybody, this is Mac and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a little bit of backyard mechanic work on 2001, well actually I guess it'd be front yard mechanic work because I'm in the front yard. It's a 2001 Buick Park Avenue and I'm going to show you how to replace the fuel filter that's up under right in front of the back left tire. And I'm going to show you how to do it real quick and easy. Probably won't even take less than 30 minutes to do. So I've already got the car jacked up, and you want to make sure you put some safety stands under there. I always do that just in case a jack fails on you. You won't be crushed. And you're going to need a little container because there will be a little fuel that comes out, so you put that under there and catch the fuel. And this is a new fuel filter that I'm going to be putting on. One end's got a clip for the hose, another's got a fitting. So the nut size on this one, the new one that I bought, it's just a Duralast filter, $20 I think from AutoZone. It is a 19 metric, and what's weird is the nut that's on up under the car, it's not a 19 and it's not a 21, so, and I don't have the wrench to fit it. So I'm going to use a 13/16. It's a little loose, but it'll work. It'll get it off. So it happens sometimes, lose wrenches. That's what you got to do. I'll see if I can get up under here and show you. So there's the two fittings. And what you're going to want to do is put your wrench on this one, hold this, and turn this one. And that's the, what did I say it was? It's a 16 millimeter. And I already pulled this off. You can see the plastic clip here, and the new one, it will just pop right in there like so, and then it will latch into the sides there. Sorry, it's really kind of hard to film under a car like this. It's once you get that broke loose, it just turns real easy. It comes off real easy. And then that should just pull right on out. Before I pull it out, I'm gonna make sure I still got fuel coming out of that hose. I want to make sure I catch this. There we go. Ooh. There we go. It can be messy. Now let's see if I can show you putting this on there. The way you take this off, you just squeeze. It's got a big layer. There we go. You squeeze these real tight and then just pull the hose right off of it. It's real easy. It's not difficult at all. And then reverse order. Slide that up in there. If I can get that. And then should just push right on there if I got it lined up. And it should snap. Yep. You can see it. It snapped in there. I'll double check that once I get this on up here. And I think, yeah, there we go. Yeah, sorry, I had to stop and use two hands, but make sure that hose, tube goes down in there as far as it can, and don't cross thread these threads. They go on pretty easy. You just line it up and start it. It goes pretty good. And just tighten it down. Then I'll put both wrenches on there and snug it, and then that'll be done. That's it. That's all it is to it. It's pretty simple, pretty easy, and then we'll go from there. All right, so what you want to do after that is just crank the car up and let it run for a minute or so and check for leaks, make sure ain't nothing leaking, and there you go, you're good to go. You can drop your jacks and put everything back up and clean the tools up and put them away, and you're on the road. So I hope this video helps you. If you got any questions or comments, feel free to leave them. I appreciate it. Hit that thumbs up, give me a little pocket change, and appreciate y'all watching.